Hey, what's going on, everybody? What is up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you a project that I've just begun on, and this is a tabletop water dispenser with multiple other functions. So with this, you can, let me get everything plugged in. Hopefully it doesn't pick up very loud on camera. So unfortunately, it takes 3 plugs. I'll probably fix that in the future. Yeah. So hopefully it's not very loud. So right here I got a 1157 not really headlight bulb, but I could tell light bulb. Haven't really hooked that up yet, but I got this brass nozzle which will dispense water. And then I got this little rotating screw here, which will mix the drinks. If you were to use the those little drink packets, the powder that you put in the drinks and it makes it flavored. Well, you mix it up with that, and then over here I got my potentiometer, which varies the voltage going to the water pump. So you can control the pressure. And then I got this little 3-way 120 volts 10 amp plug. I got this little alarm clock, which I took apart, just glued on here. Now it's got a little bit of lights, and it makes noise as well. It comes out of that speaker back here. And back here I got this little, 4.5 volt battery pack, double A's. I got this little mini speaker. I got a computer fan. This little box hold the wires in to go somewhere, and a pencil sharpener. Because why not? This thing just serves multiple purposes. Now you might say that a lot of stuff of this is completely pointless. I know. That's why I put it on there, just to make it fun and interesting. Yeah, I got this little transformer here. Yeah. So if we go inside, open this up. Some thermal insulation. I got some switches. Got my pump down there, and normally what you do is you stick a 2-liter bottle down in here, and you just screw this lid on, and the hose will go right there. Well, I got a whole lot more stuff to wire up in here. Anyway, my favorite part is this little belt pulley thing. I thought that was pretty cool. You guys, let me know what your favorite part, and also give me some suggestions on what should I add to it, because I'm just going to keep on adding this thing till can no more. And I also made this, but I'm gonna keep it stable. My drinks put on the drink there. And then over on this side, I just got a button that's gonna turn those lights on and off. And then if I wanna keep it sealed, I just thumbtack that down. You saw, oh yeah, I feel cold air coming out there right now. Yeah, it's cool. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.